Hi neighbor, welcome to the Ring Power Pack. Power packs are external backup batteries designed to provide power to your Ring Alarm Pro or an eero 6 extender during a power outage. You can connect multiple power packs to a single Alarm Pro, up to 4 at a time, for even more backup power. We recommend keeping Ring Power Packs connected to your Alarm Pro and plugged into power at all times, so they are fully charged and ready the next time you need them. Let's set up a power pack for the first time. When you open the box, you'll see the Ring Power Pack and a small USB-C cable. Unplug your power adapter from the back of your Alarm Pro and plug it into the power pack. Make sure to use the orange Power In port. Wait a few moments and you'll see the LED on the power pack light up and turn green. Next, use the short USB-C cable to connect the power pack to your Ring Alarm Pro. Notice that one end is orange and the other end is blue. Make sure you match the cable to the right port. First, plug the blue end of the cable into the blue Power Out port on the back of the power pack battery. Next, plug the orange end into the orange Power In port. Your Alarm Pro is plugged into a power source via the power pack, and your power pack will continue charging. If the power goes out or you unplug your Alarm Pro, it will immediately begin using the power pack for power. Want to add more backup power to your Alarm Pro? Simply repeat these steps for each new power pack. If you're adding backup power to an eero 6 extender, you can follow these same steps. So how do power packs work? Each power pack is designed to provide several hours of battery backup for your Alarm Pro or eero 6 extender, depending on usage. When the power goes out, Alarm Pro will begin draining power from the furthest power pack one at a time until the closest power pack is empty. When all power packs have been used, Alarm Pro will use its internal battery and turn off most features in order to conserve power. When the power is restored, the internal battery will recharge first, followed by the power packs one at a time in reverse order. After each battery fully recharges, it will move on to the next one. Let's look at power packs using the Ring app. If you want to see how much battery power is left in each power pack, simply open the Ring app, tap through the menu and find the Alarm Pro base station. Then tap the Battery Health tile. You can see all power packs currently connected to the Alarm Pro. Tap on any of the power packs listed in the app, and the LED on the power pack itself will light up so you can confirm which one you're looking at. When you remove a power pack, it will disappear from this list. The power pack won't show up again until you reconnect it to your Alarm Pro. If you need any additional support using your Ring Power Packs, head to ring.com/help.